Looking for kitchen plumbing services in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important a properly functioning kitchen is for your home. From leaky faucets and clogged sinks to new appliance installations, our expert plumbers provide fast, reliable solutions tailored to your needs. Whether it's a minor repair or a full kitchen plumbing upgrade, we deliver top-quality workmanship every time. In Strathcona County, changing seasons and water conditions can lead to unexpected plumbing issues. That's why our local professionals offer efficient, affordable services to keep your kitchen running smoothly. Trust Kingstree Plumbing for expert kitchen plumbing services in Strathcona County. Call us today or click book online to schedule your service today.